Hello everyone, I'm Bob Furlong and this is Tech Quip's number 11 stop motion video. One of the things that I like to do with Google Slides is to make a stop motion video. One of the reasons why I use this with my students is to help them visualize a difficult concept. In this case, I use something called a signal transduction pathway. I provided the students with this one slide, and what they had to do was make a stop motion video that explains how this pathway works. So how they would do this was, once you have that original slide, you want to show some kind of emotion. So the trick is, if you go to slide, duplicate slide, it puts it exactly as the previous one, but now you can take one of these objects and move it slightly. And then take slide number 2, duplicate that slide, and it keeps that spot that you had just moved it to. And now I'm going to move it again. And now I'm going to duplicate that slide, and I'm going to move it a little bit more. And then I'm going to duplicate that slide and move it a little more. And you're just going to keep repeating that until you have your video made. So let's take a look at what the students would do after they have their video made. So you can see there's going to be lots of slides here. How would me as the teacher see this? First thing they need to do is to go to File, and they want to publish this to the web. Now when you publish it to the web, it does default for the slide moving every 3 seconds, and they only give you a choice like as short as 1 second. We might need to do this a little bit faster, but I'll show you how to do that. Hit publish, and I'm going to copy that address that was given to me. So now as the student, in private comments, what I'm going to submit is simply the link, and then I might change this to about every 300 milliseconds, right, or 0.3 seconds, and send that off to my teacher. Now on the teacher side of this, when I click on either turned in or assign, I'm going to see all of my students' links populated here. And when I click on it, it will take me to the site, and I'm just going to have to hit start. Now I do also require they have a sort of a step-by-step process that they're explaining what's happening in their video, that they would was what they would then turn in as well. And when I asked the students how long it took them to create the videos, most of them were saying it took about 15 to 20 minutes. It's a very fast and easy process to help your kids with some very difficult conceptual understandings. So I hope you try stop motion video sometime in your class. Thanks for watching.